Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to imagine a world where your gadgets, after completing their task, simply vanish. This message will self-destruct in 5 seconds. Sounds like pure Hollywood, right? Straight out of a spy thriller. But what if I told you that the iconic self-destructing tech from Mission Impossible is leaping off the screen and into our reality? Today, on G Fun Facts Online, we're diving into the world of transient electronics, gadgets designed to disappear. But this isn't just about cool spy tech. It's about solving one of the biggest environmental nightmares of our time: electronic waste. Think about every phone, laptop, and tablet you've ever owned. Where are they now? In 2022 alone, humanity generated a staggering 62 million tons of e-waste. That's a mountain of discarded electronics growing 5 times faster than we can even document recycling it. And this junk is toxic, filled with lead and mercury, posing a significant threat to our environment and our health. This is where transient electronics come in. These are devices with a built-in expiration date. They're designed to work for a specific time, and then, poof, they dissolve or degrade, breaking down into harmless byproducts. The applications are mind-blowing. Imagine a medical implant that monitors your heart after surgery, delivers medicine exactly when needed, and then just dissolves safely into your body. No need for a second, risky surgery to remove it. Researchers are already making this happen with dissolving heart sensors and drug delivery systems. Or think of tiny biodegradable sensors scattered across a farm, monitoring soil health to grow more food, and then simply becoming part of the soil at the end of the season. And of course, for defense and data security, the appeal is obvious. Sensitive information on a device that can be triggered to physically disappear? That's a game changer. And it's exactly what programs like DARPA's Vanishing Programmable Resources project are aiming for. But there's always a catch. For any of this to work, you need one crucial component that can also pull a disappearing act: the battery. As Professor Reza Montazami from Iowa State University aptly put it, any device without a transient power source isn't really transient. You can't have a revolutionary dissolving medical implant if it's powered by a toxic permanent lithium-ion battery. This is where the story gets really good. Taking direct inspiration from Mission Impossible, Professor Seo-Kyun Sean Choi and his team at Binghamton University have created a truly biodegradable battery. After 2 decades working on what they call papertronics, electronics built on paper, they found an incredible power source: probiotics. Yes, the same friendly bacteria you find in yogurt and other supplements. Initially, they considered using bacteria known for producing electricity, but worried they might not be safe for the environment. So they turned to probiotics. At first, the results weren't great, but the team engineered a new type of electrode surface, using polymers and nanoparticles to create a rough, porous texture. This gave the probiotic bacteria a perfect place to hang on and thrive, dramatically boosting their electricity generation. The battery itself is built on a simple, water-soluble paper. To control when it turns on, it's coated in a special polymer that's sensitive to pH levels. This means it only starts producing power in specific acidic environments, like polluted water, or even inside the human digestive system. And when its job is done, the entire thing dissolves, leaving behind nothing but harmless, and maybe even helpful, microbes. Now, this probiotic powerhouse is still in its early days. Depending on the setup, it can provide power for anywhere from 4 minutes to over 100 minutes. But the power output is still small. We're not going to be running our smartphones on yogurt batteries just yet. The cost and durability of these transient materials are also hurdles we need to overcome. But the proof of concept is huge. Researchers are already exploring other wild ideas, like 3D printing batteries from fungi that you can literally feed to generate power. They're also getting better at controlling the self-destruct sequence, using triggers from moisture and heat to light and even ultrasound. The dawn of the Mission Impossible battery is more than just a cool headline. It represents a fundamental shift in how we design and use technology. It's a future where our gadgets aren't just smart, but sustainable. A future where our devices can work seamlessly with our bodies and our planet, and then, just like in the movies, vanish without a trace.